Hi guys, Chef Alina Z, and today I'm doing a video on how to do a very quick and easy detox for those who are feeling lazy. So let's begin with a soup. First, we're gonna pick a vegetable that you like. For this particular case that I like, and I'm gonna do cauliflower because I'm craving a soothing, creamy soup, and I have a head of cauliflower. Just gonna get it all separated like this. You can use your hands or you can just use a knife. I'm putting everything in a pot. Super easy, right? If you are short on time and you don't want to deal with even cutting the cauliflower or vegetables that you like, you can buy already pre-cut vegetables. Water, filtered water, and I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna put it here on this burner, and I'm gonna cook until the water starts boiling and the vegetables are soft. That's it right now. You know, my dog, Snoop Dogg, he is 13 and a half years old and he has so much energy, and people always ask me like, what do I do? So I give him, so the secret is I give him raw carrots and cabbage and cucumbers as his treats. You guys want to see how much he loves the carrots? Yeah, I'll show you. Hey guys, you want to see something really cool? Snoop, come here. You want a carrot? Who wants a carrot? Who wants a carrot? Sit. Snoop, dance. Dance, come on, dance, dance. Here you go. Ah! And then he runs away to eat his carrot so nobody takes it from him. Wasn't it so cool? And he dances. He's my little dancing guy. Let me show you my Z tips to making a celery juice taste good. First, how to pick celery. Light color, big stalks, and no leaves. So I'm going to take these out and take them out all together. I don't want to juice these. If you juice the leaves, your juice will be more bitter. So you want to juice pieces just like this. If you can, use a masticating juicer because it will get the most juice out of the vegetables, and I'll show you how dry the pulp is. Alright, so one stalk of celery will yield about 10 ounces of juice, and you can pour it in a container like this. If you don't want to be juicing every single day, go ahead and make enough juice for 2 days in advance, and that's what I do for my clients. When I'm not there, they have their juice in the morning. Have this juice first thing in the morning. That's very important. And then wait 30 minutes if you can before you eat. And what it does, it gives you more energy. It's really good for your digestion. It's soothing to your gut. It gives you clearer skin. A client of mine has seen improvements in her sugar cravings, her skin, rosacea, like those things have disappeared. It helps decrease inflammation. And think of it as medicine, you know, just if you don't want to smell it, you know, you can chug it. What you can do, I'm going to show you a little trick. So I showed my client, she's like, this green juice is not like martini. And I said, well, put it in a martini glass or put it in a Prosecco glass. Look at this. Look how much nicer it is to drink from a fabulous glass. So cheers to your health on this one. I mean, this is a Prosecco, don't get me wrong, but this is really good for your system. And if you think of it as medicine, and like Hippocrates said, let food be thy medicine, why not? You know, it's just drinking it. You don't have to spend an hour on it, just chug it, chug it, chug it. Alright, so while our soup is making, we already have the juice done, we're gonna make a smoothie. So we're gonna make a smoothie, we're gonna start with cashew milk. I prefer this particular milk, it only has 10% of calcium, and calcium prevents the absorption of iron, and I need iron in my blood, so I don't like to mix my iron with my milks. For my iron, I'm gonna put some chlorella. Chlorella has chlorophyll, which is close to the blood that we have. It's the blood of the plants. And you see I'm taking capsules and opening just like this. You can buy chlorella powder, and that's fine. I just ran out and I have it in capsules, so voila. Some more greens. I'm gonna put kale here. Also has a lot of iron, and kale it's one of the most nutritionally dense foods, so we just need a little bit. Wild blueberries, really high in antioxidants, really great food, and you can buy them in Trader Joe's. Very inexpensive. For sweetener, I'm gonna add mango. This is also from Trader Joe's. I was feeling a little under the weather last week, so my previous video I took you guys to a couple of restaurants to see what you can actually buy, so you don't have to make it, but it's easier to make it, I think, and you can customize it the way you want. Now, for the protein powder, I have two choices, and These are the ones I have on hand. It's vanilla, so actually this will go well with this particular smoothie. But I like to mix them up. Sometimes I have chocolate, sometimes I have vanilla. You just never know. And then you just blend this until it's smooth. Okay, so the smoothie is ready. It's nice pinkish color, like purplish. Goes with my outfit. Because why not? Okay, so you can make a smoothie, put it in a container just like this, cover it up, put it in your fridge for tomorrow, and then just shake it up and you're ready to go. I'm gonna taste it obviously right now. This tastes like ice cream. Like an ice cream berry shake, it's so good. So now we're going to make a soup. And I love soups because they're so easy to digest, they're so soothing, and you can make them yummy the way you like them. And what I love about soups is all the nutrition stays in the water. You don't need to have like any broths. It's just so easy to make, like especially this one. We are going to add 2 ingredients to our soup. This is a chickpea miso. It is not soy miso. I really don't recommend having soy, especially for men. It really can mess with your hormones and your estrogen. You can Google the side effects of soy because I don't want to be listing all of them, but soy is really no bueno. So I'm putting about a tablespoon here. So we're gonna use hemp seeds to add creaminess to our soup. These are just little white seeds. They look like this. They actually taste a little like pine nuts. They're really rich in iron, in magnesium, in phosphorus, in zinc, in manganese. It's really a superfood, I think, because it has so much magnesium. It relaxes you, it just makes you feel like really calm. You can, if you want, add some leeks, add some celery, add some carrots. It's up to you. For me, I'm busy, I don't have much time, like I don't be chopping at home all day, like all the vegetables. For me, this is the easiest way to make a soup, and it's like a miso soup with vegetables, basically. I'm gonna put this right in the blender. So I'm gonna blend this for a quick minute. I'm gonna pour it back into the pan so that it cools in the pan, in the pot. I call them pans, pots, you get the idea. So look how thick and creamy it is. You can add a little butter if you want, like, or ghee, or if you have coconut oil that's butter flavored. Oh my god, it would go superbly here. Just gonna put a little bit of parsley to give it a little color. And you can add salt and pepper if you want. For me, this is very simple and I like it without the salt because of the miso. Miso is salty. But if you don't like cauliflower, like I said, you know, you can use broccoli, you can use butternut squash, you can use zucchini. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Can't stop eating it. And the benefits of a detox are that because your body doesn't have to spend so much energy and time digesting heavy foods, it gets all the nutrition from the smoothies and the juices and the soups, and it has extra energy. It's like you're getting energy in, you don't have to put energy out. The body can spend all that energy detoxing. And if you're thinking, well, like, what is it to detox from? The pollution in the air, we breathe in so much junk. And then food, if you don't eat organic 100%, there's pesticides in the food. There's like all kinds of stuff on it. And so now your liver, your kidneys, your skin, like they have to work so much harder to get rid of all that stuff. A soup like this, it will support your liver because it's a cruciferous vegetable with cauliflower, for example. And then your liver will just get more nutrition that it needs so that it can naturally detox your body from those pollutants, because that's what liver is made for. It's made for detoxing your body, and you're just giving it the foods that it needs to work better. That's detox in a nutshell. Let me know how you like your cleanses, and if you do this cleanse, how many days you're doing it, or benefits you're seeing, how your sugar cravings are disappearing, how you're having energy. Let me know so I can support you. Cheers to your health, and until later, bye.